Kalimera, I'm Vandam Dezigner, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to use the Blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. If you're already familiar with this tool, keep watching because you might as well learn something new. So without any further ado, let's get started. The Blend tool is used to blend between two objects of different size, shape, and color. So let's say I would like to blend between these two circles. I'll go ahead and click the Blend tool. Now they don't have to be selected in order to make a blend. Just click on one, click on the other, and that's not a very smooth blend. So we'll either double click on the tool or go to Object, Blend, Blend Options. Now change the spacing to specified distance and make it any number less than 10. Hit OK. And there you have a smooth blend. So let's say you wanted it to be a curve instead. You press Shift-C or go to the Pen tool and click Anchor Point tool. Now drag the line. You'll see you got a curve. However, if you wanted it to be a customized shape, you will first create it. Now select both shapes, go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. So apparently you can do whatever you want with this path. You could go to Object, Blend, and Reverse Spine. You could expand it, and you could release it to get back to its original state. Lines work pretty much the same way. If you grab the Pen tool and start drawing a line, then copy it to the other side of the artboard. You can flip it if you want. Grab the Blend tool, click on both of them, change the specified steps to 100. Okay. And now you can create amazing art using just a couple of lines and one click. That was it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.